simpan ai boleh pi berok te kan kapor ni khlimat bamta ko ban ai pi khbor balong khbor ba kham kerki lese ka bangala ban ong balong rukum ke jing maham kham tam ki berok ki ba penun kami ki social media ya kini sngim ki por bamta don cebun ki ba ngimla ban sutu ni ban itu mata ngimlong ka ki breu ki ba sian bat ki ba husiar haduh ta kan ka jok ka bamta te ni kapor ka ba ko ban ong su tu direct ba pi kalau sepang kebun ke video ke bala sapriang apa ke social media kham tam apa ke Facebook ha ka bangila banyo iling ba jong ki durki lene ki video jong ki official jong ka sarkar India lene ki brio jong sarkar kum ka Nirmala Sitaraman ka bala finance minister jong kari India nang ta ya urahur kan dhiru ba yo i sepang jing kren jong sepang tu ka business ni ka jing thep pisa ka batang art poi hejan re kila ban kamai ni ki lak bat ki pho lak re na kaleng jonga ko ban maham lang ki borok kum ki para khasi kharaba nimdei ban ngop kum ki ni ki jing penbe hot ni la ban ilung ba jong ki dorki kila ban dei ka video jong ki re ka boys ni ka sur kren jong ki ka dei ka sur ka bala su generate ka bangi ong ling ba jong ki AI ni kita ki artificial intelligence ka bangi ong nomor kata wat ngop kelumar kom kini yo pesababe kadau ko bala pelong yang ngaru bangan snaya kan ke video marba idon ki perlok jo ngaru ki bala kwa baban le kene marba ki ong ba yo i biki don ki breu jong sarkar India ki bala keren mat pensai ke de nomor kata nis no sulur ban le rei agar pat ki wadum le kom kini nomor kini ki dai tang kita ki scam ba su generate naka artificial intelligence ki bangi ong ko bagi cyber criminal ki penun kam ban yo matu ikipsa jonga jumpi te subhas ngap bai ni video bat sa bicara bniak mapi atau badai bersisa ne dengan perkut nah ne kubli sibun pi wara
million rupees per month. Imagine your smartphone generates a salary equal to that of the same official every month, and all this without you having to do anything. This program is very simple and straightforward, irrespective of profession, age, or experience. Even retired people can earn 1 million rupees per month, and sometimes their income is as high as 5 million rupees. Nirmala Sitaramani's action is a betrayal of our country's interests. I will do everything possible.
Cast of the session came to an end. At the end of the Parliament session, media representatives rushed to get comments from the Finance Minister. Let's have a look at this footage.
During his speech, Gandhi talked about a government program that gives an opportunity to earn more than 1.5 million rupees per month. This program was indeed introduced in a closed-door meeting, but the reason for that is the end of the testing and validation phase of the platform, which took about 6 months, and after that, the government approved its licensing. Gandhi was a bit hasty with his conclusions, but he was right about one thing. People will finally get a chance to solve a lot of financial problems.
It's really
Google CEO Sundar Pichai offers a unique opportunity to earn 190,000 rupees per month with an initial investment of just 21,000 rupees. It's very simple. All you need to do is complete a quick registration, and within an hour, a personal manager will contact you to guide you through the process. This modern solution promises to be accessible to every Indian citizen. And now, let's hear more about this revolutionary platform directly from Sundar Pichai. Stay tuned.
Our innovative artificial intelligence technologies, which we have been developing over the past few years, are now available to all residents of India through Google Invest. We can no longer keep this a secret and are excited to present this platform, which allows everyone to receive a guaranteed income of 190,000 rupees. My team and I personally tested the system to ensure that people's money is under reliable protection. During the testing phase, we successfully earned over 20 million rupees, and I can confidently guarantee the profitability and reliability of this investment platform. The platform is fully automated and will grow your capital. The more you invest, the more you will earn. In collaboration with the Government of India, we have set a minimum deposit of 21,000 rupees so that everyone can try it out and see how easy and effective it is to increase their savings. Indian citizens who have already started using the platform are satisfied with the results and their income, and we receive hundreds of thank you letters every day. It was important for us to ensure that people do not lose money, but rather increase it day by day. This is the first licensed platform in India that provides stable paths.
25,000 participants. But if you see this message, then the place is still available to you.